Hi and welcome, this is Daniela with my very first layout created with the December kits. I used the embellishments and the paper and the Pocket Life kit, so just a few things that you need. I decided to have a simple color scheme. I wanted to use a green and yellow, and that's why I'm working with these three papers. I just cut stripes of 3 centimeters first, and then I want to put them on white cardstock so that I have the center of my page, and I want to put my pictures here on top of these stripes. I think that the black and white pattern paper is a very nice contrast to the colored pattern papers. And whenever you use bold colors, I think it's a really good idea to have black and white contrasts as well. And I also want to work with black and white pictures on this page. So all in all, this goes together quite well, and the green and yellow kind of pops out of from the white cardstock, and that's what I really like a lot. So you see, these are my two pictures. I'm working with two and place them next to each other, and then I also fussy cut a few pieces from the Pocket Life kit in the same colors. So here we have yellow and green again, and I also want to use a title in the same color, and we have this cozy at home die cut in our ephemera pack. And I also fuzzy cut some of the leaves that we get on the green pattern paper. There is also a cute bow in the Pocket Life kit, and I also want to use this one. And then I also add a few flowers from our flower ephemera pack, and the fuzzy cut black and white flowers from the green paper again. And this way I can just spread some floral details here around my pictures. So I also add a little phrase here, and then I want to have the word chill, and I'm just working with a black alphabet sticker sheet that we get in the embellishment kit. So you can either purchase the embellishment kit alone, or you can purchase the paper kit combined with the embellishment kit to save some money. And I really recommend doing so because everything goes together so well, and you can combine the pattern papers and the embellishments perfectly, like every month. And you just see me using some of the different embellishments that we get. And you see that we have puffy stickers, we have chipboard stickers, and a whole variety of things to choose from. And I just like playing with them and spreading them all over my page. So in the Pocket Life kit, we also have a stamp set each month. And today I just want to use a little star to add some more black details, and I just have some stars spread around my cluster. And this is a quick and easy way to add some more details. And of course, there are a lot of phrases and words in the Pocket Life stamp set as well. But here we just need the tiny little star. And I like to use black ink to have some more contrast on my page. So up next, I also wanted to use some glittery stickers. We have these foam stickers with glitter, And here again I go for the green and yellow ones, and just add a few of those, and then I think that I have a nice page containing only green and yellow, and of course some black and white elements, and nothing can go wrong if you only decide on two colors, and that's an easy way to yeah, create a balanced page. Well, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you can also enjoy your new kits. Hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.